from the Kisan agitation. Are we looking at a countdown to the end and calling off of the protest of the farmers? Since a year they start on dharna demanding the repeal of the farm laws. The government has basically written to the farmers and accepted most of the demands that was put forward by them, including the cases against farmers to be withdrawn, but on a condition. The condition is the agitation has to be called off first. The centre has agreed to form a minimum support price panel and then give out appropriate compensation. However, interestingly, the draft does not have a mention to sack MOS Home Ajay Misra Teni and no promise on junking the electricity bill. Kisan Union Samyukta Kisan Morcha is holding a meeting to deliberate the proposal sent by the centre. A briefing, meanwhile, is expected. There is a key meeting that could be organised tomorrow at about 2 p.m. where we'll know exactly if the agitation has been called off.
कमेटी बनाने की बात की है, उसमें एक शब्द जो उन्होंने लिख दिया कि अन्य संगठनों के प्रतिनिधि भी बुलाए जाएंगे, उससे शक पैदा होता है कि कहीं सरकार ये ना कर दे कि उन लोगों को वो कमेटी में ले ले जो लोग WTO के समर्थक रहे हैं या इन कानूनों के समर्थक रहे हैं, कहीं उनको इसमें शामिल ना कर ले और फिर वो कहे देखो किसानों की राय है.
That's right. So I can confirm with you that finally farmers' unions have got a response from the government to our letter of the 21st, and after the formation of the committee, we have a proposal from the government of India, specifically from Home Ministry. We have had 3 hours of very detailed deliberation on each point of that. Our discussion remains inconclusive, and we have decided to resume the discussion at 2 p.m. tomorrow.
Will there be a final decision tomorrow?
I really hope so. We are in a constructive dialogue with an open mind and open heart.
So just in case the government does not make MSP and law, however comes up with a committee, will farmers be okay with that?
I would not commit to any such specifics. There is a maryada of every organization. We discuss everything. But obviously I cannot talk about all that to the media. All I can say is that we are approaching this with an open mind, with an open heart, because we want to take it to a good conclusion.
So finally, one thing, you are ready with the farmers really want a conclusion, whether it's this way or that way?
Of course, we want a conclusion. We have reached a final stage of our negotiation, and we want to conclude it in a way that leaves everyone happy.
SKM और तो आज बोल रहे कि यह अभी बता रहे, और मीडिया चैनल पिछले 15 दिन से बोल रहा है, और सरकार पिछले 1 साल से बोल रही घर कोई नहीं जाता, पूरा हिसाब किताब पक्का लेकर जाएंगे.
जो केस वापस लेने की बात है, कई साथियों के अंदर ये एक संदेह है कि ये कब होगी ये प्रक्रिया. उसके अंदर लिखा है आंदोलन वापस लेने के बाद हम शुरू करेंगे. हमारा कहना है कि ये एक विश्वास की बात है. अगर केस तुरंत, ये बात लिखनी चाहिए कि केसेस, और आप जानते हैं अकेले हरियाणा में 48,000 हमारे किसान भाई और बहनों के ऊपर आज केसेस जारी है हरियाणा में, एक ही राज्य में. उसके साथ यूपी में है, उत्तराखंड में है, पंजाब के सरकार ने तो क्लियर कर दिया कि भाई हम पूरे केसेस वापस लेंगे, राजस्थान में है, मध्य प्रदेश में है, और पूरे देश भर में ये रेलवे डिपार्टमेंट के जहां जहां रेल रोको हुआ, कश्मीर से लेकर कन्याकुमारी तक और गुजरात से लेकर गुवाहाटी तक, रेलवे के केसेस, सैकड़ों केसेस है हमारे हजारों साथियों के ऊपर. तो ये सब चीज कुछ एक समय टाइम बाउंड इसके अंदर वापस लेना चाहिए, उसका तुरंत शुरुआत सरकार ने करनी चाहिए.
मुआवजा पंजाब मॉडल सभी को मिलेगा. सभी खत्म हो गए, सभी खत्म हो गए, सभी खत्म हो गए. आंदोलन खत्म हो गया, कब खत्म होगा? कल अनाउंस करेंगे, कल.
So if the farmers decide to agree to the proposal of the government and call off their agitation since been a year now, what could be the immediate fallout? Take a look at this, and these are remembered to be considered with the elections that are coming in Uttar Pradesh, specifically Western Uttar Pradesh, the state of Punjab. It could be an impact on those elections. Other factors that could also include will be about the opposition attack that had been gunning for the government at the centre, led by Narendra Modi, and that attack, at least in the parliament and on the streets, will be deflated on the farmers issue. But thereby, of course, as a repercussion would be an image booster for the Modi government that they at some level have managed to eventually have the agitation called off, specifically for Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. What does it do to the opposition? It then ends clearly their border tourism politics, because both the Delhi border of Uttar Pradesh and for Punjab had become a political hotspot specifically for the opposition parties. What does the ground status look like at this point? I'm going to go across directly to my colleagues on the ground. Aishwarya Paliwal is at the Singhu border, and that is where the press conference was organized. That is where the meeting was taking place. And I'm also joined by our colleague Kumar Kunal from the Ghazipur border. First to you, Aishwarya, because it suddenly appeared that they're calling off the agitation. Then they went back, said we are still in a meeting. Then they said we're going to meet again tomorrow. What was the timeline? What happened? What are you picking up from the ground?
Well, Pooja, before I answer that, let me straight go to one of the farmers who's a part of the 5-member committee which has been set up. आप क्या सरकार के रवैये से खुश हैं? आपको आज सुबह एक जो प्रपोजल आया, उस प्रपोजल को पढ़ने के बाद आप लोगों को लगता है कि सरकार भी काफी कदम आगे बढ़ के आई है?
सरकार का रुख पॉजिटिव है और उनके रुख से हम खुश भी हैं। सरकार आगे बढ़ रही है, हम लोग भी आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। सरकार ने हमको ड्रॉट भेजा, बैठक का समय हो गया था, उस समय आया, हमने उसमें कुछ संशोधन की बात की तो सरकार ने संशोधित ड्राफ्ट फिर से भेजा हमारे पास।
रिवाइज ड्राफ्ट आपके पास दोबारा से भेजा?
दोबारा आया। फिर हमने चर्चा की और उसमें भी हमने कहा कि ये 3 बिंदु हैं, इन बिंदुओं पर हमको थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आएगी। तो उसमें क्या है कि जो एमएसपी पर गारंटी का कानून बनाने की कमेटी है, उस कमेटी में वो जीरो बजट और अन्य तमाम चीज़ें और अन्य संगठन भी रहेंगे देश के। तो उसमें हमारे लोग को ये शंका है कि अगर ऐसी कमेटी बनेगी, जो लोग हमारे खिलाफ खड़े थे आंदोलन के, वो भी उसमें रहेंगे, तो ये कमेटी कुछ कर नहीं पाएगी।
तो आप चाहते हैं कि ज्यादा लोग आपकी कमेटी के रहें? आप
नहीं,
जो आप लोगों
केवल एसकेएम के लोग ही कि एक कमेटी हो जो एमएसपी पर बात करे, इस नंबर 1।
ठीक है।
दूसरी जो बात तकलीफ देती है वो ये कि सरकार उस पर विचार कर रही है कि सरकार कहती है कि आप पहले आंदोलन
You are at the Singhu border and you're talking to one of the committee members. I want to quickly go across, stay on with me, to the Ghazipur border because Kumar Kunal has Rakesh Tikait with him. Over to you now, Kunal, because it appears many will want to really ask if Rakesh Tikait and his outfit is on the same consensus that the farmers at the Singhu border have to say. We'll try and get that line also connected because Kunal, over to you. What is Rakesh Tikait going to say? Because he was the one giving all the media bites mainly the past 1 year.
Yes, although the meeting was going on at the Singhu border, but Rakesh Tikait was not the part of that meeting, but still he was keeping eye on each and every development. आप तो हर चीज पर नजर रखे हुए थे। आज जो मीटिंग हुई है, क्या कुछ मीटिंग में कहाँ मामला फंस गया है, फिर क्यों नहीं आज बात बन पाई?
कोई सामने थोड़ा था, हम ही तो थे आपस में घर घर के, वे दूसरा तो था ही नहीं।
दूसरी तरफ से चिट्ठी तो आई थी ना।
अरे चिट्ठी पे तो चर्चा कर लिया, हमें जो करना थी चिट्ठी पे। कोई आमने सामने बैठता तो जवाब सवाब दे देते उसका। अब चिट्ठी दी उन्होंने तो चिट्ठी भेज दी उन्होंने वापसी। इस पर लिख कर दो क्या क्या है इसमें।
लेकिन बात यही है कि जो प्रस्ताव आया है, उन सारे प्रस्तावों पर आपको आपत्ति क्या है? क्योंकि कई सारे प्रस्ताव आए हैं, उन प्रस्तावों पर आपको क्या आपत्ति?
आपत्ति है कि मुकदमे बाद में लेंगे, हम कह रहे कि पहले शुरुआत करो, ये आपत्ति है। वो कमेटी बनाने की बात कर रहे हैं, हम एमएसपी बनाने की बात कर रहे हैं। स्पष्टीकरण दो ना। दिल्ली का ट्रैक्टर है, 10-10 साल पुराना ट्रैक्टर है, उस पर क्या करेंगे? वे 10 साल पुराना ट्रैक्टर यहाँ तोड़ोगे? एनजीटी का आदेश है कि ट्रैक्टर नहीं जाएगा, वो टूटेगा, उस ट्रैक्टर का क्या होगा? नहीं देंगे सरकार। तो बहुत से सवाल हैं ये।
तो आज की जो मीटिंग हुई और फिर कल मीटिंग बुलाई गई है दोबारा,
हमने तो अपनी बुलाई, उनको चिट्ठी भेज दी, उसका भी जवाब दे देंगे। तो हो सके कि 10-15 दिन चिट्ठी का आदान प्रदान चलता रहे। पहले चिट्ठी तो चलती थी, मिले थोड़ा था कोई, पहले चिट्ठियां चलती
चल सकते हैं होगा।
तो मैं चिट्ठी वहाँ गई 8 दिन में, फिर आई, फिर गई, फिर आई। हो सके कि 5-10 दिन से चिट्ठी को चलन दो।
मतलब आप कह रहे हैं कि 10-15 दिन तक अभी मामला निपटेगा नहीं?
कह रहा है कि जब वे स्पष्टीकरण नहीं देंगे तो नहीं निपटेगा।
कल हम माने कि एजिटेशन वापस लिया जाएगा, कुणाल उनसे पूछे कि या कल अभी वो चिट्ठी का ही रिप्लाई करेंगे, कल ऐसा नहीं है कि बंद हो जाएगा।
कल तो आप अभी से जो कल की जो बात है, जो आपकी बात हो रही है, उसमें तो फिर यही लग रहा है कि कल की मीटिंग से भी कुछ नहीं निकलेगा।
अगर वे नहीं देंगे तो नहीं निकलेगा, वे स्पष्टीकरण नहीं देंगे तो नहीं निकले, वे स्पष्टीकरण दे देंगे तो निकलेगा, फिर आगे की देखेंगे।
So what is actually Rakesh Tikait is telling that they need some clarification from central government. Till the time that clarification will come from center, their agitation will continue like this.
And is that clarification, Kunal, on the
at least,
cases to be withdrawn or on MOS home? Ajay Mishra, what is that clarification needed?
Basically, there are 3 points on which they need clarification. The first point is a committee on MSP. What has transpired till now that although central government is ready to make a committee, but they are not revealing the names. And what Sanyukt Kisan Morcha and other farmer unions are quite worried about, that if the same expert who have formulated the 3 farm laws, those experts will be the part of committee. The second is the withdrawal of cases from different states. What they are thinking that government has proposed that first they will withdraw their agitation and then the cases will be withdrawn.
And the third?
They are not on the agreement with government on this point as well. They are telling that once they will take back their agitation, government might not withdraw the cases. So these are the points on which they are worried and they are not in agreement with government.
Please keep tracking all the latest on this, Kunal. So what Rakesh Tikait has just now said on India Today is very pertinent, that it should not be considered that tomorrow the agitation will suddenly be called off. They want clarifications. They'll write back to the centre. They'll wait for the centre's response. Meanwhile, they will be holding the farmers' meeting. If they are convinced with the clarifications, the farmers' agitation may be called off, or we may just witness the same squatting of these farmers and protesters at the Delhi border. Kumar Kunal and Aishwarya Paliwal with all the latest. Thank you very much for now. So what exactly happened today? Why suddenly the farmers' agitation was back in news? That was because the government at the centre sent forth a proposal to the farmers' groups. Take a look now at the timeline of what exactly happened. The farmers' proposal was sent. The mention made very clear that they will withdraw the cases that was against the farmer protesters, but there was a condition. The condition being that they need to take back first the agitation and only then the cases will be withdrawn. Committee will be formed on the minimum support price because that was one of the main demands now after the centre repealed the 3 farm laws. They have also agreed to give an appropriate compensation with regard to the farmers and also the MSP margin. All of that will be discussed. But there was no mention of the dismissal of the MOS home, Ajay Mishra, and no mention of the junking of the electricity bill. So these are also some of the important mentions that happened today. So are we looking at a possible countdown of the calling off of the agitation, or will again for the next few days we'll witness the similar status? So we will continue to bring you updates on that, but for now it appears that the meetings of these farmers will continue.